Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make travel planning a breeze. Today, we're diving into how to book airport transfers on Expedia in 2025. With Expedia's updated interface, booking transfers has never been easier or more efficient. Whether you're jetting off for a business trip or a dream vacation, this step-by-step guide will help you secure reliable transportation from the airport to your destination hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to the Expedia website or open the app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account for a smoother experience. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, start by searching for your flights or hotel bookings. In 2025, Expedia has enhanced its search tools, so type in your travel details like departure and arrival cities, dates, and the number of travelers. Next, after selecting your flight or hotel, look for the Add-ons or Extras section. This is where the magic happens for airport transfers. Click on it, and you'll see options for shuttles, private cars, or even luxury rides. Expedia now integrates real-time availability and eco-friendly choices, so pick what suits your needs and budget. Don't forget to check the reviews and ratings from other users to ensure you're choosing a reputable service. Now, customize your transfer. Enter specifics like pickup time, number of passengers, and any special requirements, such as child seats or wheelchair accessibility. Expedia's 2025 updates include AI-powered suggestions to match your itinerary perfectly. Once you're happy with your selection, review the total cost, including any taxes or fees, and proceed to payment. Use secure options like credit cards, PayPal, or even digital wallets for a seamless checkout. Before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips. Always book in advance to snag the best deals, compare prices with other platforms, and double-check your confirmation email for details. If you encounter any issues, Expedia's 24/7 customer support is top-notch. There you have it. You're all set for stress-free airport transfers. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop a comment below with your next destination. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.